all about you.
Up in action right here for you today. Wow, do we have a program lined up for you. We have our crazy scientist here with us today, and a little girl is only 7 years old doing all kinds of great, wonderful tricks and learning. We're going to learn all about the planet, the Earth, the moon, the stars, and so much more, and how to make all these great projects for you today, all right? Also, friends, if you'd like to send me an email, I'd love to have an email from you. You can go ahead and send it to me at Laurie@it'sallaboutYouth.com. All that information's there on your screen. And don't forget now, if you don't have access to the internet, well, just give me a telephone call. And the number's there on your screen, and I'll always call you back. You know I call you back. You guys like that so very much. We have such a great program lined up for you today. We have Nitro Joe with us, and Mercedes. She's so cute. She's all but the age of 7. Nitro Joe. He's our mad scientist. I was so excited. I met him at the Family Christian Expo in St. Charles. It was so exciting. That was a long time ago. I've been trying to get you here.
Well, you know, a lot of different things happen, but thanks for having me in here, Lori. I mean, this is going to be a lot of fun. I want to show you a lot of neat things,
all
and
right.
so we're just going to have some fun.
We are. Now tell us, though. Tell us, why is science so important?
Science is important because basic science is all about one thing, one real simple thing. It's about understanding how things work.
Right.
So when you understand how things work, you can't get confused, you can't get tricked, and therefore, you have a better chance of being able to understand the world around you. You're more confident, you're happy. Things just make a lot more sense.
It's better, you know, because the Bible tells us we're going to perish for lack of knowledge. So certainly we want to learn how things work.
Well, exactly.
Right.
And, you know, since, you know, Jesus is the Lord of all creation, you have to understand, what did he make? What did he create?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Yeah.
Understanding how things work is now understanding the Creator.
I know. It was so exciting when I saw you at the Christian Expo. I mean, the children, they were all around. They were everywhere. And then you were like packing up and more kids kept coming because it was like, you know, over.
Yeah.
And you were like, and they're like, you know, oh, can you just do this and do this and do this? So what is your most exciting project that they love moreover than all?
Well, oh, come on, kids.
Yeah,
I mean,
they
the
like
thing
them
that
all.
kids like the most?
Yeah.
What do kids like the most? Mercedes, you think kids like slime the most?
Slime.
Yes.
All right, so slime is one of the best experiments we have because it deals with polymers, it deals with how things come together, it deals with the concept of a catalyst. And so what we can do is, if you like, we can make some slime right now.
Yeah, let's make some slime. All right, so show us how to do it.
Here's what we'll do.
Now, those that are watching at home, though, can they make slime on their own?
Afterwards, I'll tell them how they
You
can
will?
do this.
Okay, all right, all right.
So first and foremost, we're going to use a chemical to make slime. The chemical we're going to use to make slime, now this is the real slime that you'd like buy in stores and stuff.
Can you
All right.
eat it?
No.
You can't.
You may not eat slime.
You can't?
No, what we're using right here is a chemical called PVA, polyvinyl alcohol.
Okay.
This is a liquid plastic, all right? I want to make certain that none of the kids at home decide that they want to eat this stuff because drinking this, eating this, it would be like eating a plastic fork off the floor of the McDonald's bathroom.
So that'd be bad.
Very bad. Yeah, so we don't eat this.
But I think a lot of kids probably think you can eat it because it's so pretty.
It looks like it, but no. This is not something we're going to eat. What we're going to do is we're going to start with these activity cups.
Okay, all right.
And then...
And you have 2 helpers here.
Yes,
All
I've
right.
got my helpers.
Okay.
First, I'm going to give you some PVA.
Okay.
So, once again, please remember, don't eat it, don't drink it.
Okay.
It's not toxic, it's not going to poison you, it's not going to cause any damage whatsoever.
Okay.
But we're going to start with that, and then we're going to change it up, because right now it kind of looks a little bit like water, a little bit like soda,
Right.
but we're going to change it up because we have 3 different colors to choose from.
Yeah.
We have green, we have red,
Right.
and we have blue.
Right.
So, with those in mind, let me ask you a question. What color do you think you might like?
I like red.
Red it is, all right. So we're gonna add a little red inside of here.
Okay.
Mercedes, what color would you like?
Green.
Green, all right, so now we have paint and PVA. So now I'm gonna give you a popsicle stick, and I want you to stir it up.
Okay.
Mix it all in, mix it all in. Now, the only thing you're doing right now is you're putting color in the paint. That's it, just color in the paint. But this chemical right here, this is what's gonna bring it all together. You can
What is
stop
that?
stirring, you can stop stirring.
Oh, we can't?
Yes,
Okay.
you can. It's all mixed in.
Okay.
This chemical right here is called sodium borate. Sodium borate is our bonding agent. It's gonna bring the paint and the PVA together. Slime is what we call a polymer. Now, a polymer is just a long collection of molecules. Polymers are like rubber bands, things that are stretchy, nylon. Also, another polymer that we all have is our skin. Our skin can stretch all the way across. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of our bonding agent into our cups. And now, we're gonna stir it in.
Okay. All right. Stir it in.
Stir it in. Remember, one hand on the
it's
cup,
getting thick
one hand
now.
on the stick.
Okay.
Oh, yes. You don't have to stir it fast. Just
you
mix it all
don't.
the way in.
Okay.
Oh, yes. There you go.
You've done this a few times, I think, Mercedes.
Now, if you lift your stick out so everybody can see.
Check it out. Oh, it's crazy.
Oh,
This
yes,
is like the
good.
blob. You know the blob?
Excellent. So
Right?
stir it in.
Okay.
And then here's what's going on. Like I said, this is our bonding agent. This is what's bringing everything together.
Right.
Now, what's happening is if I simply mix the paint and the PVA and the sodium borate all together, it's still going to come together and bond. But your stirring is what we call a catalyst. A catalyst is something that makes a reaction go faster.
Okay. All right.
So it's very neat. So as you're stirring, go ahead and scrape your stick off a little bit. Scrape your stick off.
This is like
and then
making
stir it
cake
in some
mix.
more. Yeah. Because you want to mix all the different chemicals in. You want to
Right,
mix all
right,
the
right,
different
right.
chemicals in.
And then what do you do with this once you made this?
Well, once it's all made, what happens is we have a nice, good, thick toy. That's what it is here.
All right, what we're making here right now is slime, all right? We're coming back right here after this with Nitro Joe, so stay with us. Sure glad you're here with us this morning. This is a lot of fun.